Hello, everyone. I'm Jessica, and welcome to Learning English with Jessica. In this video, we're going to listen and practice our English through many different conversations. You can play it again repeatedly while engaging in other activities to help your brain memorize the language. Be patient, and you will swiftly improve your speaking and listening skills. Now, let's jump right into the video. Topic: Common English mistakes. Have you ever made English mistakes that made others misunderstand what you wanted to say? Some might lead you to awkward situations. In today's video, I will show you some more common mistakes that beginners often make. Let's watch the whole video and never make these mistakes. Dave, guess what? I found an awesome game that we can play together tonight. What's that? It's Guilty Gear Strive, a fighting game. Sounds fun, but maybe tomorrow. Oh, are you busy tonight? Yeah, I'll take my girlfriend out for dinner. Okay, tomorrow then. What's your plan for dinner? No worries, Dave. I'll cook myself. You'll what? Hold on, Tom. I see a little mistake there. When you say, I'll cook myself, it means you plan to cook your own body, which I'm sure you don't want to do. To express that you want to prepare the meal on your own, you could say, I'll cook for myself. Or, I'll prepare that meal myself. This means you will handle the cooking without any assistance from others. I get it now. Thanks, Jessica. Oh goodness, I definitely didn't mean to cook myself. I mean, I'll cook for myself. Don't worry, Tom. English can be tricky sometimes. Yeah, I also want to try the new lasagna recipe I've just learned. Wow, that sounds good, Tom. I want to impress everyone with my cooking skills. I'm sure you'll do great. I'll follow the recipe step by step. Take your time and enjoy the process. Do you want to try it? I want your opinion as well. Sure. You can leave me some in the fridge. I'll try it later. Nah, I'll make a new dish for you tomorrow. And that's even better. Thanks in advance. Hey, Diana. How's it going? Hi, Tom. I'm good, thanks. How about you? I'm doing well too, thanks. I'm pretty excited, actually. Oh, really? What's good? I'm on my way to see my cousin. My cousin is having 3 cats. She is having 3 cats. Yes, I'm so excited to see them. How can that be real? Don't panic, Diana. Tom made a mistake here. The sentence, my cousin is having 3 cats, literally means my cousin is giving birth to 3 cats. Like we usually say, she's having a baby, or she's having a boy. If you would like to say that your cousin owns 3 cats, it would be better to use the verb has instead. The correct sentence is, my cousin has 3 cats. Oh wait, my bad. It should be, my cousin has 3 cats. No problem, Tom. It's easy to make such mistakes. But I'm curious about your cousin's cats. Tell me more about them. Sure. My cousin has just adopted 3 cats. They're quite naughty, but they are so cute. My cousin loves them all. How lovely. It's nice to see how people cherish their pets. I'm a bit more of a dog person, but still, cats can be adorable too. Definitely. Each pet has its own unique charm. Anna, it's the fruit counter. Would you like to buy some? Of course, Tom. Do you like fruits? Yes, I do. I like apples, bananas, and oranges. How about you? I like them too, but I eat fewer fruit now. Fewer fruit? Actually, Tom, number 1, fewer is used when you're talking about countable nouns like apples. For example, fewer apples, fewer bananas. Number 2, and less is used for uncountable nouns like water, sugar, time. For example, less time, less freedom. You can't count fruit, so you should say, I eat less fruit now. I understand, Jessica. I mean, I eat less fruit now. So why are you eating less fruit? I want to eat more vegetables and meat instead. Trying to balance them, actually. That's a great idea. Vegetables are good for you, too. What's your favorite vegetable? I really like broccoli. It's delicious and nutritious. I agree. Broccoli is a good choice. I enjoy carrots and spinach. Those are great options, too. I'll try to eat more of those. That's wonderful, Tom. A balanced diet is essential for staying healthy. I will keep that in mind. Hi, Bella. How are you doing today? Hi, Tom. I'm doing well, thank you. What do you want to do today? I'm feeling so boring. Tom, I think you mean you're feeling bored, not boring. Boring describes something or someone that causes others to feel uninterested. For example, a boring movie. But bored describes a feeling, how you feel when you have nothing to do. It is the emotion that someone experiences when they are not interested or lacking engagement. For example, she looks bored. So you should say, I'm feeling so bored. I'm feeling bored because I have nothing to do right now. No problem, Tom. When I feel bored, I like to read a book or watch a movie. Maybe you could try that too? That's a good idea. I'll find a book or a movie to keep me entertained. Great. What kind of books or movies do you like? I like adventure and mystery books. And for movies, I enjoy action and comedy. Those are fun choices. I'm into fantasy books, and I also like romantic comedies. Maybe we can swap books and recommend movies to each other. Great idea. I'm so busy these days, I really want to travel. Yeah, me too. Have you ever been in Paris? Actually, Tom, been in and been to are both used to describe past experiences, but they have different meanings. We use been in to give information about how long we have been somewhere. For example, I have been in London for 2 years. We use been to say that we went somewhere and came back and that we are not there anymore. For example, I have been to Paris. Have you ever been to Paris? Yes, I've been to Paris a few times. It's a beautiful city. How about you? Oh, I've never been to Paris before. What was your favorite part about Paris? There are so many things I love about Paris. The Eiffel Tower is definitely a must-see. The view from the top is breathtaking. And the Louvre Museum is incredible too. Yeah, I know. It's home to some of the world's most famous artworks, like the Mona Lisa. I'll definitely make sure to visit those places when I go to Paris. You should. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson and found it informative. Remember to review it. I look forward to seeing you all in our next video. Take care and keep learning. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Remember to practice English every day to improve your skills. Watch the video at least 3 times a week and repeat daily conversations to improve your listening and speaking skills fast. Try to mimic the intonation and pronunciation in the video to enhance your speaking fluency and pronunciation. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Please subscribe to the Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos.